Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to master the snipping tool on Windows in 2026. First, open Snipping Tool from the Start menu. Click the New button to take a screenshot. You can capture a rectangular area, a specific window, or the entire screen. After taking the screenshot, it will open automatically in the editor. Use the Pen tool to draw or write on the image. Use the Highlighter tool to highlight important text or sections. If you make a mistake, use the Eraser tool to remove annotations. You can also crop the screenshot to keep only the important part. To copy the screenshot, click the Copy button and paste it anywhere you need. To save it, click the Save button, choose a folder, enter a file name and click Save. Snipping tool can also record your screen. Switch to the Record option, click New, select the area you want to record and click Start. When you are finished, click Stop and save the recording. You can use the Delay option before taking a screenshot if you need time to open a menu or another window. For the best results, keep your screenshots clean, use highlights carefully, crop unnecessary areas, and save your files in PNG format for better quality. With these features, you can take screenshots, edit images, copy content, and record your screen like a pro. That's how you can master Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.